What can be suggested about a firm that has found its cost minimizing input combination? Where do we have this reference? It is the fourth paragraph that refers to a firm that finds its cost minimizing input combination. In this context, the passage says that once the productive efficiency of labor is equal to that of capital, this combination can be found. So we need an answer choice on similar lines. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, cost of interest paid and the cost of labor. The fourth paragraph states that the cost of labor should be equal to the cost of capital and that interest paid is just a factor in the cost of capital. So this answer choice doesn't suggest whether the cost of labor is equal to the overall cost of capital. It only talks about a part of the cost of capital. So this answer choice doesn't establish the equivalence between the cost of labor and cost of capital. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B, the cost of operating machinery and the cost of interest paid. The passage mentions that the cost of capital comprises of the cost of operating machinery and the cost of interest paid. So both these factors would relate to the cost of capital, and this answer choice makes no suggestion about the cost of labor. So this answer choice fails in establishing this necessary equivalence. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C, the cost of labor equals the cost of capital. Yes, that is what the passage mentions here in the fourth paragraph when it says that the productive efficiency of labor and that of capital are equal, suggesting that the cost of labor and the cost of capital are equal. And in this circumstance, the firm will have found its cost minimizing input combination, which is what the question asks about. So this is a good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice D, the cost of capital and the cost of operating machinery. The fourth paragraph mentions that the cost of capital includes the cost of operating machinery. So this answer choice simply talks about the cost of capital and makes no suggestion about the cost of labor. So overall, this answer choice doesn't establish whether the cost of labor is equal to the cost of capital, which is necessary for a firm to achieve a cost minimizing input combination. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E, the cost of labor higher than the cost of capital. The fourth paragraph mentions that for a firm to achieve cost minimizing input combination, the cost of labor should be equal to the cost of capital. So if the cost of labor is higher, it indicates that the firm has not found this particular combination. So let's eliminate this answer choice. C is the correct answer choice.